Welcome to the Private Client Practice Area module. From the LexisPSL homepage, you have access to each of your individual practice areas at the top of the page. Today, we are going to have a look at the content available in the Private Client Practice Area. Clicking onto the link to my practice area takes me through to the Private Client homepage. The practice area homepage is split into 3 sections. On the left-hand side of the page, you have a list of browsable topics. Click on the link to view all topics to see a complete list of subject areas. Browsing in LexisPSL is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. The list of topics have been selected and organised by our team of experienced solicitors and barristers. On the right-hand side of the screen, you have the option to perform a quick search using keywords and connectors against all the content in this practice area. For more information on how to construct a search in LexisPSL, please see further training modules. In the search section, you have the option to search for individual content type. If I was looking for a particular private client case in PSL, I can click on the link to cases, and this takes me through to a cases template screen. To return back to the private client homepage, click on the link to LexisPSL Private Clients in the top left-hand corner. Let us focus our attention now on the Browse Topics section on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Browse Topics section, you will find a selection of high-level topics that are designed to align to your day-to-day queries. Let us now explore a subtopic. Any blue link that you see underlined on PSL means it is a hyperlink. I wish to learn more about trust disputes under the topic of the law of trust. Clicking into the blue link takes us through to a separate screen where we have access to our detailed resources. PSL has pulled together a number of tabs running from left to right which contain all relevant overview, practice notes, commentary, cases, legislation, forms and precedents that are relevant to our chosen topic. Let us have a look at the tabs in more detail. The Overview tab provides readers with a quick digest of the key and important issues arising under your chosen topic, so that you can gain an understanding of the issues at a quick glance. If you require a more detailed explanation of the in-depth issues, click on the next tab along to Practice Notes. Practice notes contain detailed practical notes on your chosen topic. The practical guidance on LexisPSL has been written by our experienced team of solicitors and barristers. Let us have a look at a practice note. Practice notes quickly allow fee earners to check a point of law and provide a step-by-step explanation of that area. As well as detailing the legal position, the practice notes will always provide you with the supporting legal authority, with links to the legislation and case law that support the legal position. If you require further in-depth research, some practical guidance pages give you the option to learn more about your subject area with links to further reading, for which you will need a Lexis Library subscription. Let us return to our tabs under Trust Disputes by clicking on the link to return to Trust Disputes. The Butterworths tab provides you with key Lexis Library commentary for this topic. Halsbury's Laws of England is the key commentary text for this practice area. Let us click into an extract. The commentary extracts act as standalone chapters within PSL, all hand-picked by our professional support lawyers. Remember that you have always got your document delivery options available in the top right-hand corner of every document. You have the option to email, print, or download and save your document. Let us return to trust disputes. The Cases tab pulls together the leading cases on your chosen topic. Cases for this topic are hand-picked from our extensive collection of Butterworth's law reports. Law reports for the private client practice area include the All England Law Reports, the All England Reporter, and official transcripts. If you cannot find the case that you are looking for in this list of cases, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you have the option to search for a case within LexisPSL. Alternatively, if you have a subscription to Lexis Library, you have an option to view case results within Lexis Library. By clicking on this link, Lexis Library automatically runs a search for trust disputes against all the law reports that you have available under your Lexis Library subscription. The Legislation tab provides you with essential primary and secondary legislation and links to relevant government and industry websites where appropriate. Let us click into the Variation of Trusts Act 1958. The legislation on PSL is consolidated and fully up to date. The left-hand side of this screen allows me to navigate between the different sections of the Act. I have the option to view the whole Act as one long continuous document in PDF format by clicking on the link to view full enactment. This will bring up the whole Act in a separate PDF window. Let us return to trust disputes. You always have the option to move between topics by using the Topics menu on the left-hand side of the page. Let us click into the Topic to Elderly Client. Under each topic, you have a list of subtopics. The tabs in the centre will now reflect the content relevant to elderly client financial matters. The Forms tab will list any key forms relevant to your chosen topic. If the tab is shaded in grey, it is an indication that there is no appropriate content under this tab. Precedents tab will list any key precedents relevant to your chosen topic. Precedents are available from authoritative Butterworth titles such as Atkins court forms and third-party websites. We also include a number of precedents with drafting notes written by our professional support lawyers. Let us have a look at a precedent document. To download this precedent into Microsoft Word, simply click on the Download Delivery icon. Click Open. Clicking on the link opens the precedent into a Word document, from where you can easily amend the document. To return back to the Private Client homepage, click on the LexisPSL Private Client icon in the top left-hand corner. You will notice that in the lower left half of the screen, you now have a section of recently viewed documents to refer back to as a research trail. Clicking into one of those links will take you directly back to your document. We have seen how easy it is to browse the topics on the left-hand side of the page. Let us now run a search for all content in the private client practice area that relates to mental capacity. In the search box on the right-hand side of the screen, enter your search terms mental capacity. Searching in the title field will only search the title of each document. By changing the option to full text, Lexis will search for mental capacity within the body of all documents. A drop-down suggestion box will appear, which lists keywords that closely match what you have entered. Let us select mental capacity and click Search. The result list displays your results by content type. For example, there are 5 precedents with the term mental capacity in the title. To learn more about searching within PSL, please see further training modules. Below the search section, you have a section called What's New in Private Client. This section allows users to keep up to date with key developments in their practice area. Legal updates range from new cases, changes to legislation, press releases, and journal articles of interest. And finally, below the What's New in Private Client section, you will see a section listing other products available relating to private clients. LexisNexis may provide you with webinars, books, and conferences relating to private clients. This concludes the private client module.